Now, as I told you yesterday, the power bank was too small and couldn't take the light. So after searching all night yesterday, I figured out that this one is 1 ampere exit, as you can see over here. That's why it didn't work properly. So what we did now, after searching for 10,000 milliamperes and 2 USB exits, if we decide to put another one over here, so we can be ready with one supplier, I bought this, the Xiaomi 10,000 milliampere Mi Powerbank 2. I didn't unbox it. I was waiting for the video to make the unboxing so you can see what are we going to use. Small disadvantage, it doesn't have quick charge 3, so it might take some time to charge. And I'm gonna open it to see if it's a little bit, if it has a little bit battery from the factory, so we can open the Solarstorm light side. So we open this. Okay. So that's the power bank. I believe it's very nice, and it's sealed here. So if we open, we see the ports and the charge where it starts and the 2 USBs over here. Supposed to have a cable, and that's its cable. I don't like this. I was expecting something more fancy, but it's okay. The power bank from the other side, it's very nice, as you can see. So I put this on. Oh, it has some battery. We have the switch. Oh, and it finally works. So we have a little shaky on the small one, the light, but on the big scale, the third one, it's very good. And blinking too. So now we sorted somehow the power supply. Now I'm going to see if it fits my case, which is yes, very good. Even if we don't have a lot of space to put something else right now, but it doesn't matter because all I wanted was the power bank. So now I'm outside my house, but it rains, and I want to see how this is gonna work. All right, let's see what's going on. Oh my god, that's very good. That's real good. I wasn't expecting that. All the ladies, absolutely brilliant. That's the first one, that's the second one, that's the third one. And that's, ladies and gentlemen, it's the blinking. Oh my god, everyone is gonna get crazy about this. Thank you for watching. See you in 5 minutes.
3 days later.
Now we are testing. Sorry for the wind. Now it's full dark here. Hope you like it. As you saw in the video, it's very lightful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.